Satnam, this is the Yoni Kriya meditation. It's a very powerful sacred feminine meditation in the sense that we're going to be creating the cave of the Yoni with the position of our hands. We're also representing past, present, and future with the 3 fingers that are extended, which is your index, middle, and ring fingers, Jupiter, Saturn, Sun. And we're touching the tips of the little fingers, which is the Mercury energy, feminine energy. And then we're also stretching the thumbs, the sides of the thumbs together, and stretching them back towards the chest. We hold this mudra at the level of the solar plexus. The space between the hands, we want to make sure that the fingers, the 3 extended fingers, are parallel to the ground. Again, this represents past, present, and future. And the cave of the Yoni not only represents the female anatomy of the Yoni, but it also represents the cave in which the Kundalini energy, the goddess Kundalini Shakti energy, sits at the base of the spine. So this is a very powerful meditation to do right as you're getting ready to go to bed. It's incredibly powerful for intuitive enhancement and awareness of creativity. Let's give it a try and see how it goes. I'm looking forward to practicing this with you today. All right, so again, let's tune in first and foremost. We always need to remember to do that. Part of our ritual for preparing to work and to be in the presence of our initiation, our self-initiation of the Kundalini energy, and just acknowledging the ritual of practicing within this sacred feminine, sacred masculine practices, working with the Kundalini technology. So we inhale and exhale through the nose. And then we'll tune in with Om Namo Gurudev Namo. 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 Adagade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satagade Name, Siddhigurudeve Name. Adagade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satagade Name, Siddhigurudeve Name. Adagade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satagade Name, Siddhigurudeve Name. Inhale. Holding your breath, squeezing the energy up your spine. Feel very expansive and bright all around you. Exhaling. And grateful for the light team, always present and always with you. Satnam. All right, we're now ready to practice this Yoni Kriya meditation. All right, so you're going to touch the tips of the little fingers together, which is representative of the feminine. The sides of the thumbs touch together and stretch back towards the body. The hands are not touching the body, but you are parallel with the index, middle, and ring fingers are parallel to the floor and stretched as wide apart as you can. So make sure to establish your mudra very precisely. Mudra is the science of creating these positions in the hands, because this is going to activate your brain and your nervous system in a very specific way. And the space between the hands is indicative and representative of the cave of the Yoni, a very sacred feminine cave portal and a space in our bodies that we have at the base of the spine, whether you're masculine or feminine, that holds, it's the container of the goddess Kundalini Shakti energy. All right, so we're going to close our eyes and focus them very intently on the tip of the nose. So they're barely open. You've got the eyes 1/10 open, looking at the tip of the nose. Sit real tall. Now you're going to purse the lips as if you're giving a kiss, but you're going to inhale through the nose. Now exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the mouth. And exhale through the nose, keeping the lips pursed the whole time. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, mouth. Inhale, mouth. Exhale, nose. Keeping the lips pursed. Inhale, nose. Exhale, mouth. Inhale, mouth. Exhale, nose. Keep going. We're here for another 1.5 minutes. Now relax the mouth, roll the eyes up to the crown, breathe in deeply through the nose. Hold the breath, sit very still. And exhale. Relax the hands. Just let them rest in your lap. Sit very still. Breathing long, deep breath through the nose. Just integrating this very powerful Kriya, working with the sacred feminine. The experience of the cave of the yoni, space in the body where the Kundalini sits and resides. It's the cave of creativity, the cave of creation. Good, and inhale and exhale, and then blinking the eyes open. So as I mentioned, this is a really, really relaxing meditation Kriya to practice. So it is recommended to do it right before you're getting ready for bed. I feel really, really relaxed right now. Let's do a long Sat and a short Nam to close. Sat Nam. Yoni Kriya meditation. Do it before you're getting ready for bed, and if you're wanting to really experience an enhanced dream state during your rest, and you're needing to have more of a sense of tapping into your creative source. Sat Nam.